Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Turbo 3 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your dialer, and all we have to do is to enter the settings icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the block list. Tap on it, and here we've got a lot of sections which we can customize. So here we've got the block list, or we can decide whether we want to use it or not. Here the text message block list, where you can manage what you want to block from the strangers. For example, you can block some specific keywords. You can add here, I don't know, a tree, world, or whatever, lamp, and then your device will block all of the text messages containing this specific word. The same situation with the call block list. You've got a lot of options to customize it here. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers. Because this is basically our blacklist, and here we've got no blocked numbers. So let's tap on this plus icon, and we can add the phone number, we can add prefix, we can add something from the contacts or the location. So we can add it from contacts. Just tap on it and we will be transferred to your contact list. Just mark the number you'd like to block and confirm it with OK. Your device will ask you if you want to add this number to the block list and block the text messages and calls. It's up to you. You can, for example, untick one of the options and confirm it with OK. We can also add the phone number manually, so just by tapping on this first option you can enter it here and decide what kind of data, let's say, you want to block. Confirm everything with the tick icon, and it will be immediately applied to the blocked numbers list. You can of course remove the number from the blacklist just by tapping on it and tapping on unblock. Tap on remove, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.